Hello everyone and welcome back to the Gourmet Gharana. Today we bring to you a Rajasthani meat curry called Laal Maas. This dish is typically very hot with a burst of flavors and is known for its iconic red color that comes from the use of Kashmiri dry red chilies. So let's get cooking. We will start by heating oil in a pan. To the oil, we will add bay leaf, cinnamon stick, black and green cardamom and let them splutter. Then add in the marinated meat carefully and saute for 3 to 5 minutes. The meat was marinated for about 2 hours with salt, ginger garlic paste, green papaya paste and lemon juice. Saute till the water from the meat completely dries off. Then add in about 500 grams of sliced onions and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Now add salt to taste and about 3 teaspoons of red chili paste. To make this paste, de-seed and soak the Kashmiri red chilies overnight and grind to a smooth paste before use. Cover and cook once the oil starts separating. Cook for about 30 minutes or till the meat is tender. Remove the lid and mix well. Now combine dhania powder and mustard oil with yogurt. Give it a good mix and add this mix to the meat. Mix till well combined and continue cooking till the oil starts separating. At this time, garnish the mutton curry with lots of cilantro. The Laal Maas is now ready. Enjoy this curry with Rumali or tandoori roti. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do give this recipe a try and like, share and subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram for such yummy recipes. Thanks for watching.